recently, we are now at 642 billion. This resulted to missing our RDP target of 6 to 7% growth rate for 2024. So the RDP was formulated 3 years ago. We are now recalibrating this RDP this year. So we do that every 3 years to incorporate NIR's presence in the region. The change in geographical coverage of Western Visayas from 6 provinces into 5 and 2 highly urbanized cities into 1 made our region's growth lower than that of the Philippines at 5%. So the question is, are we still on track? Because of our 2024 GRDP higher by more than 26 billion, we are still growing, albeit at a more conservative pace.